Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming your platform and that your 2K26 account is linked. This avoids lost progress. Once done, backup save files and note current location settings so you can revert if needed. Next, disable any in-game or system-level location services. This prevents conflicts. Then set up the tool you'll use, a trusted VPN on PC or a GPS spoof app on mobile. Make sure the tool is configured for the target region and that you have permission to change system settings. You now apply the chosen tool. Connect your VPN to the target country and pick a nearby server to minimize lag. On consoles, change DNS or use a router-level VPN so the console's traffic routes correctly. Check ping before continuing. On PC or mobile, enable mock GPS and enter coordinates for the city region you need, then lock the spoof. Make sure 2K26 is closed when you switch services, and only start the game after the connection shows stable and consistent. You finish by launching 2K26 and verifying your new region in Profile, Matchmaking, or Server Selection. This proves the change took effect. If the game still shows the old region, clear the game cache, restart the device, and reconnect the VPN or GPS spoof. Make sure your system time and region settings match the spoofed location. Inconsistent time zones can trigger detection. Troubleshoot by trying a different server, using router-level VPN, or temporarily reverting changes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.